Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. For today's video, I am actually going to go ahead and be continuing my look on my previous video that I will have linked in the description box below. I showed you guys how I did this eye look, and now I'm going to show you guys my foundation routine. Right now, and I am into the more luminous type of foundation or skin look, but I want something that obviously is going to last all day. I work full time. I come home and cook and everything for my husband, for my kids, and I want to look good while I do it. So I need something that's going to last all day. So let's go ahead and jump right into it so that this video is not very long. That is why I'm splitting it into 3 different parts. So the first thing that I have been using is my Milk Makeup Primer, and it just comes in a roller, it kind of reminds me of a deodorant stick type of thing, and then I just rub it all over my face. I don't really have big pores or anything like that, but I like how this primer makes my face feel like silky afterward. And it is a mattifying primer, so I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling it over my face like I'm crazy. You know, the one thing that I don't like about this primer, and I do like it, is that sometimes it does stuff like that. I don't know if anyone else has that problem. If you do, let me know. And I just rub it all over my face, guys, like a crazy person. Someone's probably going to be like, "You're hurting your face." It's my face. I'll do what I want with it. Okay, and then I just kind of like go in and make sure I got it everywhere. Okay, and then now I am going to go ahead and go in with my foundation. I do try to like keep my hair out of my face so that I don't have foundation hair. But the foundation that I have been using recently is my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the color, I'm not going to say that. Let me just see if I can get my camera to focus. Nope. Alright, I'm in the color 2.6. I will leave the name of this color in the description box below because I'm not going to fudge it up. It's the one that starts with the H. And I'm just going to go ahead and pump this 1, 2, 3 pumps on my hand. And then I'm going to dot it on my face. And the thing that I really like about this foundation is that the longer I wear it throughout the day, the more like skin like it looks. Doesn't look like I'm like wearing anything. Just looks like I have amazing skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe sponge, and this is actually supposed to be like a highlighting and contouring sponge, but I like it for my foundation. You guys, I want to know if you've ever asked my friends this question: if my foundation didn't match my neck, would you tell me? And I know it doesn't look like it matches right now, but it does, all right? It does. I know how to choose my color. But if it didn't match my neck, I wonder if my friends would tell me. They probably wouldn't. They'd be like, "Yeah, Debbie, you look great." Whole time I have like 3 different colors. I'm like 3 different colors. I really like this sponge. And then now I'm going to go ahead and take 3 pumps and do the other side of my face same way. I don't know why I do my foundation like this. I think it's because the matte ones, I guess I've gotten into the like motion of using them like that because they dry faster sometimes. This one doesn't really dry fast and it blends out pretty good. Trying to avoid foundation here. I wonder why this, it looks like I'm putting on a foundation that's a lot lighter than me. But I promise you guys it matches, because unlike maybe my friends, my husband would totally tell me if I look like a ghost, and he has. Maybe it'll look better once I put powders on it on camera. Looks nice when I take pictures. I'm also, my summer shade is the color Tahoe. That one I do know how to say. Which I should be getting soon because it's starting to get, well, hopefully it gets warmer where I am. All right. And that was my foundation. And now I'm going to go ahead in with my concealer. And I'm using the NARS, what this is called, Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I am in the color Medium Dark 1, Biscuit. Just looks like that. And this is how I conceal, guys. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. This is just how I prefer to do my makeup, how I've learned to do it. I've learned from YouTube. If you want to, I guess, do it some other kind of way, you're more than welcome to. No judgments here. This is just how I do my makeup. Oh, I feel like I have something in my eye. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm going to kind of like do that triangle type of thing, but intensely, I guess. And, you know, I don't have bad skin, I know, so I know that all this makeup per se isn't necessary, but I don't wear makeup because I feel like it's necessary. I wear it because this is fun to me. I have fun doing this, you know? I have fun. This is what, like, motivates me to get up in the morning, you know? I'm like, hey, I get to do my makeup today. I get to play with this new stuff. So yes, I do know that I don't need all this makeup per se, but if I want to pound it on my face, cake it on my face, I'm going to. Then I put it down the bridge of my nose. I don't know why I do this, okay? I just saw it in the YouTube video one time and thought it was cool, so I was like, let me do it. I'm just kidding. It does, like, make a difference. I do like highlighting the middle of my face. Right there. And then I also bring it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this out again with my Morphe sponge. But what I also do is before I blend out my under eyes, I have my setting powder ready for my eyes so that they don't crease as bad, because I already creasy eyes over here. Ooh, this powder got everywhere. But I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Banana Powder. And I just made a big mess, but it looks like that. And I'm just going to use the cap and like put some on there because it's one of those loose powder things that I just got like everywhere. That's going to be fun cleaning up. Makeup is... Sorry guys, my camera wasn't focusing. Alright, so now that I have that there, I like have it ready, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. And yes, I do look crazy while I'm doing it. Who doesn't make weird faces when they do their makeup? Okay, and then I'm going to take my powder and just dab it in there. I don't really bake, I just set my under eyes. And then gonna go, that looks better, right? Doesn't look so crazy now. Can't even keep my mouth shut when I blend my makeup, because I'm so awed by it. and set that really quick. I dab it in, I feel like that helps. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my nose. And I got some on my eyeshadow. That was smart. We can go in and fix that later. And blend, 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 blend. Here, and I have like a mark right here that is black as hell and it just never goes away. Yes, I know I have foundation on my lips. I'll get to that. And now I'm done blending. And then to set my face, I use my Mercier Matte Translucent Smooth Focus Press Setting Powder. Looks like that. Looks like that. And I take my, I don't know what brush this is, but it's the 300 and it's from the limited edition collection for Real Techniques. And I just lightly like do that, shake it out, and then kind of like brush it on my face. And I know I'm going for a luminous finish, but I feel like even though this powder is matte, it's not that matte, and I like the finish that it gives. And of course, I want my makeup to last all day. And it's gonna shine anyway, so. So, that is how I apply my foundation, concealer, and setting powders. Let me know if you guys copy my same routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Let me, I don't know where I was going with that, but anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, if you enjoy videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video when I finish my face.